Ralph Rivera, taking you through this coverage with Erin T as our courtside reporter for this matchup. Fourth quarter tayo. Puntahan ko muna si Coach Ralph as we take a quick scan of our quarter scoring here.
Pagdating ng third, medyo bumaba ang scoring, no? Pero yung 71 kasi masyadong mataas pa rin yan para sa third quarter. Kailangan i-limit ng JRU kung gusto talaga nila makahabol.
JRU successfully trimmed down to, or the lead down to 11 points. Pero naka-3 si Clint Escames right before we ended the third. That's why it's 14 points right now. Oh, ganda. Naiwanan sa ilalim si De Jesus.
Laking bagay talaga pag pumupunta sila kay Giab eh. Nakaka-attract siya ng defense, extra pass, easy basket.
Lead is back down to 12. Mapua has had answers every time JRU creates a run. Ito na ang Heavy Bombers. Pangilinan!
Good attack. Ganyan talaga pag kukuha ka ng fast break para makakakuha ka ng free throws. Go hard, go hard.
And this is a team you mentioned that takes a lot of free throws. Number one. Giab finding De Jesus all alone and on the roll. Vision from the captain of JRU.
Yan ang kagandahan doon. 74.4% sila sa free throw as a team.
Oh, yan coach ha. Yan, nabinyagan ka dyan. That's called the jinx. Talaga nangyayari yan. Joseph Pangilinan knocks down the second one though. So ito na naman coach, 11-point lead.
Mukhang ito yung hump na kailangan lagpasan ng JRU. 11 points na to.
Just a minute gone. Clint showing frustration kasi walang movement. Wala sa kanya mga kakampi. Escames will attack. Bubilia step through. No. Abonete. Escames. And here comes JRU. Pangilinan. Pangilinan is on attack mode. Pangilinan misses. Raimundo gets the offensive board. Corner. Open. Pangilinan. Tabo!
Ito na yun. Bumaba na ng 11. 8 points na lang. Baka ito na yung hinihintay nilang run.
Joseph Pangilinan with 12 points today. Let's throw it back courtside with her fourth quarter report. Nandito si Erin T. JRU will have it. Erin T, go ahead.
The Mapua Cardinals are undoubtedly one of the strongest teams here in the NCAA. But against the JRU Heavy Bombers, they cannot afford to be complacent. While JRU is usually seen as the underdog, they have also proven themselves to be dark horses capable of defying everybody's expectations. Kaya naman ayon kay Coach Randy, kailangan talaga nila mag-hustle pa rin at magbigay ng kanilang 100% if they want to maintain the lead. Let's see if the Cardinals can keep their composure or if the Heavy Bombers will rise to the occasion and put up a strong fight against one of the league's top teams. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Coach Ralph.
Erin, as you mentioned that, JRU cuts the lead down to 5. So in the first 3 quarters, Mapua was successful in their activity against JRU. Sa panimula ng fourth quarter natin, medyo nagkakaroon sila ng lapses.
Binubuhay sila ngayon ni Pangilinan at Giab. Maganda yung ginawa ni Giab. Akala lang natin sa loob lang siya. Meron din pala siyang tira ron sa labas na yun.
But Giab is shaken up after that. Abonete scores underneath. It looks like Giab got hit in the face.
Suspension of play. Both teams are advised to serve cover bench cover. Ivan Panapanaan coming in for Joshua.
Nakaturo siya dun sa labi niya. Let's check this one out. Open look, taken care of by Pangilinan. Joshua Giab off the fake handoff was left wide open for the straightaway 3. 2 threes that cut it to 5 earlier.
Pinakamalaking lead ng Mapua is 23, no?
23.
Ang laki ng hinabol nila.
Sinipagan ng JRU started in the third quarter. They chipped away dito sa fourth quarter natin. 9-2 run unleashed by the Heavy Bombers. Let's see what happened here. Abonete was airborne. Oh, okay. It was a left elbow landing straight to the face of Joshua Giab.
Nahilo si Giab doon.
Nakakahilo yun. Kasi sinalong yung siko nung... At pababa yung player na yun,
Yung weight noon, no?
Yeah. Ito. Oh, yeah. Talagang groggy pagkatapos nung itong si Joshua Giab.
Pero hindi naman sinadya ni
Oh,
Habonete
yeah.
yun.
Pababa lang talaga. Naka-extend lang ng konti yung arm neto ni Habonete. But
JRU
Don't think it was
Healthy Bombers
intentional.
basketball.
so, bola ng JRU, coach.
Continue lang. Actually, ang pinakamagandang ginawa ni JRU ngayon, yung aggressiveness niya
Yeah.
mataas. Hindi siya yung parang bagsak yung balikat nila kanina eh.
Yeah. But this is gonna be a challenge now for them. Kasi kailangan magpahinga nung kanilang main man today na si Joshua Giab. Pangilinan has provided the goods, but who's gonna be the secondary guy? Oh, Argente and Manguban getting tangled up. Ball is gonna stay with JRU. Tignan natin ito, handoff, but hustle by Manguban here. Bothering Sean Argente even on the catch. Sinong may gusto ng bola?
Kaya hindi pinakakawala ni Manguban si Argente.
10 seconds.
Ito na si Sean. Mukhang siya pupuntahan dito. De Jesus. Ooh! Found himself free. Just couldn't make it.
Ganda ng pasa ni Sean. Sayang, hindi na complete.
Lawrence Mangubat now. They go to Hubilia. 3 minutes having going by in the fourth takeaway. A telegraph by Pangilinan.
Good extra pass.
Baseline. Wala pa rin para kay Raimundo.
Off talaga si Raimundo today.
Just 2 out of 10 from the field itong si Raimundo. Escamis handles. Clint connects. When you need some sure points, Mapua knows who to go to.
Kaya nga MVP eh.
Escamis now with 15 points dito sa ating laban. And a foul on the other side. How about Clint here? Kanina pa niya kinukuha itong matchup with Ivan Panapanaan.
Yung 15 points na yan, actually yung timing ng lagi ng habol ng JRU.
Yeah.
Yung nakikita na nabubuhayan ng JRU, take over na naman si Clint.
Yun ang tawag na paced na 15 points. Ito, mula kay Clint Escamis. They've extended the lead back up to 9 here.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran ang mga revolusyonaryong sina Apolinario Mabini at Emilio Jacinto. Ganun din ang mga dating presidente.
Balik sa ating laban. 6 minutes and 17 seconds left in our fourth quarter. Smile cam naman. Naka-cutie cam na tayo. Tropa cam. Smile cam ngayon. Yan. You know, that's what we expect. Di ba? Pag nakafocus na sa inyo.
Smile, naka-braces siya.
Oh, di ba? Flash those braces. Di ba? Ito si Ma. Dead Ma.
Dead man.
Hindi nakatingin sa ating big screen. Ito rin, dead pa rin. Nagte-text eh. O nagtatago. Uy, pa-follow naman. Nagsuscroll na siya eh. Okay, balik sa laban. It's back up to a 9-point lead. MJ Raimundo. Raimundo gets the layup.
Mukhang mabubuhay na si Raimundo.
Kailangan na.
9 points.
Just his third basket of the game. Escamis. Oh, Escamis! Erased by Panapanaan.
Grabe tumiming talaga. 2 beses na yan. Suki niya ngayon si Escamis.
Oo. Make that 3 blocks now for Ivan Panapanaan. Ito muna yung galaw. Lefty finish by Raimundo. Bangkale. Clint. Separation. Jumper. Short. Nakuha niya ulit. Bangkale's turn. Bangkale floats it up. High off the glass. It goes out. Concepcion.
And 3 possessions yung binigay nila.
Ito natin ito, Coach. Clint. Vitoria, the free lane. Pero nandun si Panapanaan to erase that shot.
Haba talaga. Pababa na si Clint, nandun pa rin yung kamay niya.
Yeah. And the timing. Very precise para dito kay Panapanaan. 3 blocks. Oh!
Muntik na yon. Pero alam na ni Escamis kung anong gagawin, kaya binigyan niya ng floater.
Clint Escamis with yet another extension for Mapua. Benitez. Panapanaan scores.
Big-to-big passing, napakaganda.
Tit for tat, we exchange hoops. Escamis. Escamis, wow! Goes to the other side.
Yung mga superstar, talagang alam nila kung kailan magte-take over.
Yeah.
Last 5 minutes, mawawala ng puntos, akin na yan.
19 points now for Clint. Pangilinan. Pangilinan, ball is tapped. Ooh!
Karoon na rin ng adjustment ng Mapua. Nararamdaman nila, nag-iinit na lang unti-unti si Pangilinan. Pero kita mo nun, dinodouble na rin nila ngayon.
Back-to-back baskets para kay Clint Escamis. Ito yung magandang pasahan ng JRU kanina. Panapanaan on the receiving end. But Clint Escamis with a nice move right here. Diba? Started or took off from the left. Finished on the right side.
No? Body control. Kaya niyang i-take yung bump eh.
Yeah. Coach, they'll review this. Because JRU had the case dun sa last touch na yon. When I saw it, it was tapped by Clint. So, napa-review to ng JRU. Tignan natin, 79-70. Lots of basketball to be played here. Tignan natin. Here's the angle. Natin yung tapet. Oh, yun.
One review, the challenge made by the JRU Bombers.
So, our officials
Ball possession of the
just
JRU
reversed the
Heavy
call.
Bombers.
Bola ng
Shot
JRU.
clock at 8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot.
Just a little over halfway through dito sa ating fourth quarter. Joseph Pangilinan.
Minsan yung review na yun, nagagamit mo siya para makapag-draw up ka pa rin ng play eh.
Totoo. Diskarte ng coach natin yan. Panapanaan on the catch. Counted by Hubilia. Panapanaan. Nakalusot. Malakas. Did not hit the rim. So Mapua gets the stop.
Mapua Cardinals basketball.
Big stop for Mapua. Giap still not on the floor for JRU. Looks like he's done for the game.
Malaking factor sana si Giab kung nakakapaglaro siya ngayon.
Yeah. Escamis. Wala. Abonete. Follow-up is good. John Abonete with a second serving.
Lahat na pinapasok talaga ni Coach Randy nagko-contribute ng malaking bagay yun. Napapahaba nila yung rotation ng players nila.
The lead is back up to 11. Pangilinan drives. No. Pangilinan, Hubilia. Battling for the loose ball. Pangilinan is in pain.
Huwag naman sana sa tuhod.
Tuhod, ano?
Sa tuhod siya nakahawak eh.
Yeah. Pero he's able to stand up on his own.
That's a good sign.
Tignan natin to. After the miss, in an effort to track it down, sila yung nag-sprint doon. Dalawa ni Hubilia. Oh yeah. It was Hubilia through his hustle, getting the left knee of Pangilinan. And it was Joshua Giab being iced on the bench. All right, we just got official word that Joshua Giab will try to come back in this game
Substitution, Mark Igliano.
after maybe just a few minutes of refocusing himself.
Medyo solid kasi yung tumama sa kanya. Talagang pwede ka ma-knock out dun sa sigo na yun.
Correct. Yeah, that was a solid hit.
Number 1 pa rin yung health ni Giab, no? Pero syempre gustong manalo nito ng JRU.
Exactly 4 minutes left, 4 to shoot. Raimundo. That would have been big. Panapanan, or that's Garcia rather, taking it away. And JRU gets another crack at it. Panapanan. Benitez. Argente for 3. Argente knocks it down.
Kailangan na talaga mag-take charge ni Argente ngayon. Kung nawawala si Giab, Pangilinan, pinupuntahan na ng defense ngayon ng Mapua. Argente, kailangan niya mag-take over.
Be the right time for Sean to look for his shots. Go back with a counter on the other side.
Unlike sa Mapua, talagang kahit sino pwede talagang mag-take charge eh.
16 puntos para kay Mangubad. And Argente will force the issue. Argente gets the ball. Meantime, big shot here by Sean Argente for a total of 11 points in the game. But what a counter. Gutsy, straightaway 3 para dito kay Lawrence Mangubad, coach.
Sinasabi natin, ang JRU, madaling i-focus kung sino yung mainit. Pangilinan, puro Pangilinan. Wala na silang ibang mapuntahan. Unlike dito sa Mapua, Escamis.
Yeah.
Bibigyan ka ng 2 attempts ni Escamis, Mangubad. Tuloy-tuloy eh.
At saka, yung halin-hina nila, maganda yung timing nung pag-take turns nila. No? Yeah. Argente. Garcia connects. Oh, now, JRU is starting to hum here in the fourth quarter. That's a long 2 for Darren Garcia.
Ngayon, dapat collectively, nagko-contribute talaga.
Ito na. Home stretch. If you're JRU, you need some stops. Move at long 3. Rebound to Bangkale. Bangkale got away!
Sakit nun. You're trying to make a run, tapos magbibigay ka ng gano'n 2 points. Talagang babagsak ang balikat nyo eh.
Yeah. MJ almost lost it. Ito, completely lost it. Argente fouling Bangkale. We have to see the hustle of Jeco Bangkale again.
Pushing foul on the Bernard.
That was a big offensive rebound he got. Look at this. Ito muna. Yung long 2 mula kay Garcia. Just stepped on the line. But how about this? In this sequence, siya yung pinakamaliit dito na rebounder. Diba? Against 3. Oo. Great hustle coming from Jeco Bangkale to extend the lead once again to 11. 2:11 to go in the fourth quarter. Agaw. Then Aboneta recovers. Escamis wisely waits. Time is on their side as we enter deep water territory. The final 2 minutes of this game. Aboneta. No. Bangkale. In and out. Turn in again.
Dalawang offensive rebound, binuhay niya, nako-convert pa niya. Yun ang maganda ron.
Big and timely baskets for Jeco Bangkale. 10 points today. More importantly, 13 ulit ang kabante ng Mapua. Sean Argente is bothered.
Alam ng Mapua Cardinals kung paano patahimikin yung JRU eh. Ganun sila ka-mature. Diba? Hindi sila nagpapanik, maggagawa ng run ng JRU. Nandito ay patatahimikan namin kayo.
Ito, another offensive rebound. And again, placement shot para dito kay Jeco Bangkale, who is up to 10 points in the game. A minute and 36 left. Babalik po kami.
Gina from the baseline. Kala ko short. Hindi diretso yung follow through. Medina zone to. Naka 1-3-1 ngayon ang San Sebastian. Trying to get into their zone offense. JRU wants to get that shooter loading on the corner. Wow, Raimundo staring down Risho. And a chance to complete.
Back in Phil Oil, and this is our dugout area. Ito yung hallway natin dyan. EAC Generals stretching, getting ready for our second game today. They'll be facing this team, the LPU Pirates. Coming off a loss, looking to bounce back. Itong LPU. That's a good battle. EAC, Omar Gordon, nagtatago doon. Kita ka namin. Ayan, good game. Two teams separated by a game in the team standings. Meantime, hindi pa tayo tapos. 1:36 remaining. Ooh!
Oh, tumama kay Sean.
And that's Clint Escamis.
As
Forcing
a
the
coach,
turnover.
as a coach coming from a timeout, you drew up a play. Ganun na mangyayari. Maiinit talagang ulo mo.
Ayan na. Ayan si Coach Louie. On cue. Yung sabi mo dun, Coach, frustrated.
Yes, yung details kasi yun malamang merong instruction na hindi nasunod.
Yeah. Yun ang pangihinayang. Because that's a wasted possession for JRU.
And yung timeout, malaking bagay yun.
Malaking bagay. Oo, yeah. Lawrence will trigger this one. Igliane. Lentes Camis falling down. He lost it. MJ now. MJ.
Flop. Parang yun nata tinawag ng referee.
So,
Very crucial yung mga ganun, ano? Kaya dapat madesisyonan talaga ng referee na tama.
Coach, is it a warning? No, it's gonna be a technical.
Mukhang nagbigay na ata ng
Technical
warning.
foul on number 0, Clint Escamis for second fraction of faking a foul.
So, second infraction on Clint.
That's his first personal foul.
Technical free throw coming up for
Technical
MJ
free throw
Raimundo.
for Marvin Raimundo.
So, this is something JRU can take advantage of. Because with that technical foul, yung technical foul na yun yung natitirang foul to give ng Mapua before they enter the bonus.
Nasa penalty na rin sila ngayon.
Pero mintes yung free throw, that's gonna hurt.
JRU have the
Hindi makakatulong yung miss free throw.
20 seconds on the shot clock.
And JRU, well, they've been steady as a team. 22 out of 30, 73%. Pero dito mo kailangan ipasok yung mga free throws mo sa fourth quarter. Argente. Pull back up. Look at the defense of Mapua. That's gonna be a foul on Mangubat. So this time, Mapua is in the penalty.
Chance sila at least i-chop ng 2 points kung lead ng Mapua.
So
1 minute 14. May time pa pero kailangan talagang matinding trap ang ibibigay mo
Yun.
dito.
Oo.
Paramihin mo yung possession, makaagaw ka.
and quick
convert.
conversions. Yeah,
Yes.
quick conversions ang kailangan ng JRU. Can't afford to waste time. Kung paano sila kinapitan ng Arellano in their previous game, dun sa end game na yon, yun ang kailangan nilang gawin dito. 77 to 88.
Oh, parang double digit din yung lamang ng ng JRU.
JRU,
Binaba ng 2 points, no?
Yeah, that's right. So, Yam Concepcion is back in the fold for Mapua. Ito na yung pressure na sinasabi natin mula sa JRU.
Kailangan meron double dito or ano eh.
Yeah.
Para magkaroon ng baratel. Oh, yun na nga.
Ooh! Garcia takes it away. Bounce pass. Ay, ay, ay.
Actually, yung whole game parang ganun yung story eh. Good stuff, good stuff. Biglang hindi mako-convert.
Yeah.
No? So sayang, ang dami na lang pagkakataon actually.
Eto, na-pressure. Garcia, that's a good help. Raimundo, perfect bounce pass to Panapanaan who just couldn't handle it. Under a minute left. It is winning time for Mapua. Escamis. Escamis. Off to the right. JRU needs to go quickly. Forward pass. Ang taas ng pasa.
Naubusan na sila ng oras. Talagang nagiging wild na yung mga decisions nila.
Sevilla for Monteglione.
Masakit doon, coach. Libre yung Garcia eh.
Opo,
Di ba?
oo.
Ahead siya doon. Walang bantay.
Actually, good intention. Kaya lang, hindi maganda yung pagkaka-execute ng pasa.
Two crucial turnovers committed by JRU. Mamubat!
Dapat siguro nilabas na lang ni Mangubat yun.
Ito, bumalik pa sa JRU. Pero patay na yung game clock natin. Ball is batted around. 88-77. This is another win in the cards. For the cards of Mapua.
Kinontrol ng Mapua talaga the whole game.
Yeah.
Sabi mo nga, 5 minutes nang ata naglaro ng Dikep. Tumayo. Naibaba actually pala ng 5
Naibaba.
points.
RJ Pangoliano.
Pero, even in that situation, you didn't see the panic
Yes.
on this Mapua team.
Tama yung sinabi mo rin kanina. Actually, sila Escamis, pag may mga vets ka, alam nila kung kailan na sila magte-take over. Ang kagandahan din na ginawa nila Coach Randy, pinaikot niya yung rotation, binigyan niya rin ng pagkakataon yung iba para ma-feel nila talaga paano ang NCAA basketball.
It's a team effort today for Mapua. A little too late for Panapanaan. Oh, but they rip it away. On the roll. Uy, Mintes mula kay Benitez. And that's all she wrote in this matchup between JRU and Mapua. 1/10 of a second remaining.
Goal number 72.
Ito yung knockout play.
That's his
Panapanaan.
third personal
That's it.
foul penalty.
2 free throws
Shooting two, Ivan Panapanaan.
para kay Panapanaan. But this is over and done already, coach.
Balik ka ulit kayo sa practice.
Yeah.
Pag-aaralan yung play. Ano yung mga mistakes nila actually. Ano yung mga hindi nag-workout. Mahaba pa actually. May second round pa. May 3 games pa ata.
Yeah.
3 games sa first round.
So, yeah, after this,
Malaking bagay na nawala rin si Giyab sa
two
game.
more. Oh, hindi na nakabalik ito si Joshua Giab. So, 88-81 is gonna be the final score. And the Cardinals get their 5th win in season 100. They dominate JRU in this one. The final score is 88-81. Mapua ties Letran in second place dyan sa ating team standings. JRU on the other hand, they fall down. They're part of the bottom 3 right now at 2 and 5. Final score is 88-81. Mapua with yet another convincing win here in season 100. In control all throughout. A lot of players contributing to the cause para sa Mapua. Imagine, these are 5 players in double figures for the Cardinals, led by the 19 points of Clint Escamis.